Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to get a professional email address with custom domain. So let's start. Everything you can do it with easy mails. How do you create an email address for business or professional use and only use to at gmail.com or info at yourcompanyname.com? This is very important because you want to look more professional as business, because if you turn a company you really want to have a business email. With easy mails you can get a professional email. Just go to email or easymails.com, scroll down and let's go to the part that says packages. We have 4 packages as you can see here. We have the basic, the standard, premium, website and mailer. I recommend you to use website, premium website, because this give you the free domain name, and this one, the standard website and web basic website, give you the free domain as well, but you can get different way. So the best one is this one, the premium website. And only that guys, if you use our promotion code with a link description below, you will get the 80% in the month. So I recommend you to use it, and also we give you the 30-day money back guarantee. That means that if you don't like service, you don't like how it works, we'll return the money to you. Then when you're ready, just click on order and you will transfer to this page here. Okay, you will have the benefit that says you will get your email in 2 minutes, you will get the security check, and also guys, you will get support 24 hours easily way. So that's how you can do it. And then just go to the part as I told you, the payment. You see that here is the payment, $14.99. You want to add a promotion code, just add how to, and just click on apply it, and look, you will get the 80% off for a month. Then just write your email address for your company. Okay, here you can add, and this way we can contact you instead of any problem. You can add your domain and you can add your business email here. So you will get your domain and business email. Your payment method, you can add your card information, add your card number, month and year, CVC, and also your holder name. And here you write it, your billing address. You can select whatever country you prefer. You can select any prefer, and then just click on address, and everything is alright. Just subscribe and you will get your domain and business email easily. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.